Okay, here we go. I'm pouring my boiled water in the pot, and then I add a few drops of vinegar because I like my pap sour. I actually enjoy it sour. Okay, here we go. I'm mixing up my maize meal with the water. Here I am mixing it up, and then my water is boiling already, so I had to add the mixed maize on the pot. There we go. And then now it's time to stir, and then I stir it up, and then I stir and stir and stir. Okay, you have to stir until it thickens. Hey, there we go. It's thickening. Oh my goodness, look at that. That's beautiful. Hey, oh my god. Okay. Oh, wow. Just look at that, man. I wanna cry. Okay, anyways, now I have to make my pap thicker. There we go. So it also depends on how hard or soft you want your pap. Okay, so you have to stop somewhere. I don't know how to even describe it. Hey, but then yeah, I think I stopped there. Okay, closed my pot for a few minutes, and then there we are. Now I'm just going to I'm making layers. Hey, magagu. Oh, I'm not even that good at this, but I tried my level best. It looks so nice. It looks like I know what I'm doing. Hey, so convincing. There we go. Making layers. So you can leave your pap in the pot, but I didn't want to leave mine because next thing you have cockroaches.